All right, the drink we're about to make is called Boston Gold. Let's go ahead and put some ice in a glass here. And we'll measure out 1 ounce of vodka. And we should have our banana liqueur handy here. And, oh, there it is. Let's go ahead and do a ½ ounce of banana liqueur. And we'll follow that up with orange juice. Just go ahead and fill it up. There we go. Take your shaker and just give it a couple shakes, just enough to mix everything together. And grab your glass, pour it in. And if you'd like to give it a little bit of color, you can garnish it with a cherry. And we'll add a straw. And you have yourself a Boston Gold. Bottoms up.